Check out this 2014 Ford Escape. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are perimeter alarm, rear defrost, tailgate rear door lock included with power door locks, voice-activated dual-zone front automatic air conditioning, leather seats 60-40 folding split bench front-facing manual reclining fold forward seat back leather rear seat, 212V DC power outlets, day-night auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and front fog lamps. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.